Okay, dear students, today we are going to discussing about ellipse concept and problems. Okay. So once again, I'm revising definition of the ellipse. So what is the definition of the ellipse here? Anyone? Right on. The locus of the point which moves in a plane such that the sum of its distances from two fixed points in a plane is a constant. Students see, suppose these are the fixed points F2, F1. Choose any one point. So, what is the meaning here? Pf1 plus Pf2 is always a constant. Choose any point on the, yes. Now, so what is the standard equation of the ellipse? Yesterday we derived this one. So what is the equation of the ellipse here? Derived this one yesterday. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this one is called as major axis. This is called as minor axis. So what is this? These are the vertices. A dash. A comma 0 minus A comma 0. This is called center. Is the foci, plural form of focus. Fine. Now let us see what are the various parameters related to with the standard ellipse. Okay, 1. So in this case, we are taking A is greater than B, dear students. Standard equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Fine. So in this case, what is the major axis? The line segment joining A dash is called as major axis. 2. The line segment joining B dash, that is called as minor axis. That means what here? Which is perpendicular to the major axis. Here the chord B dash, which is perpendicular to major axis, is called a minor axis. Fine. So what is the length of the minor axis? That is 2b. So like that they can ask. Center means what? Point of intersection of major axis and minor axis of the ellipse is called center. Point of intersection of major axis and minor axis is center of the ellipse. Fine. So equation of directrices, what are they? X is equal to plus or minus a by e. Fine. Next one, focus. What is f1 minus a comma 0? Suppose f2 is like that plus a comma 0. So these two are foci of the ellipse. Next one, what is the length of the lateral rectum? Lateral rectum is what? Always passing through the focus and perpendicular to the major axis. That is called as lateral rectum. Okay. Now, for what is the formula? Length of lateral rectum, that is 2b square by a. Now, so see the points once again. Now, main point is what is the relation among a, b, e. It's very important. That is b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So from this case, what is the value of e? 1 minus b square by a square. Fine. So as we discussed, comparison of two ellipses. What is that? Once again, see. Comparison of ellipses. Suppose a is greater than b. One is a less than b. Then what is the first point? Anyone? Length of major axis is how much? This is 2a. This is 2b. So length of minor axis. This is 2b. This is 2a. Equation of directrices. Anyone? Plus or minus a by e. Y is equal to plus or minus b by e. So in this case, eccentricity, what is the formula? Anyone? 1 minus b square by a square. In this case, 1 minus a square by b square. So later you should compare in this one. General equation of the ellipse. What is the standard form? According to the conics. So SP is equal to E times PM, dear students. So suppose P is X1, Y1. Clear. And consider focus is H comma K. Equation of the directrix is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Squaring on both sides, SP square is equal to E square PM square. So what is the result is coming? X1 minus H whole square, Y1 minus K whole square is equal to PM means drop the perpendicular distance from the point P to the given directrix, that is AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root over A square plus B square. You can write like this. Now, if you are expanding, we can get, suppose, now what is general form? So in general, screen is visible for all. Mohan Kumar, see, problem is there for you. Mohan Kumar responding, screen is not visible, but everyone responding is visible. Mohan Kumar, what happened? Yeah, okay. Thank you. In general, if you are simplifying this equation, we are getting that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is what represents second degree equation. Fine. Represents an ellipse. So what is the condition is required? Anyone? Delta must be not equal to 0. That is what? ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus h square. And h square is less than AB. So these points are very, very important. Please write down. Yeah, Sadhguru shall respond immediately. Good. Write down. Shall I proceed? Okay. So yesterday we discussed position of the points. With respect to ellipse. Let Px1, y1 be a point. Okay. Here P, yesterday we discussed here also somewhere possibility is there. Now, and x square by a square plus y square by b square the ellipse. Then 1. P lies on ellipse. What the condition is required? Anyone? That is S11 is 0. So please add these points. P lies inside the ellipse. S11 is less than 0. P lies outside the ellipse. S11 is greater than 0. Right? auxiliary circle. So dear students, so as usual I'm drawing picture C. I will tell you what the auxiliary circle. Consider this is the equation of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So if what is the meaning? A is greater than b. It is the standard form. Now, a circle described on the major axis as a diameter is called an auxiliary circle. So how to draw that one? See, I'm drawing the picture. See, dear student, like that. So this is what the diameter? This one, that is 2a. So that means x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the equation of the ellipse. So please write down the definition. I'll tell you. The circle described on the major axis as a diameter is called auxiliary circle. So in this diagram, you should understand A should be greater than B. This eccentric angle is what? No, that is theta. That is the meaning. Find out. Coordinates of Q can be what? A cos theta comma A sin theta, parameter coordinates. So P can be A cos theta is fixed, but this is coming B sin theta. So these are very, very important coordinates. So 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Theta is called so based on this one, how they're asking question C. Yes, support. Length of the major axis is the diameter of the auxiliary circle. Diameter must be major axis. Kumar, correct. Completed? Yeah. Okay, next one. See. Yeah, if the diameter is on minor x means that is A less than B. Pawan, correct. Okay or no? A greater than B means what? The circle is described on major axis as a diameter. Diameters on minor axis is not possible. Only major axis. Minor axis is not possible. Now, read the question. Find the number of rational points on the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Anyone? So what is the parameter form? Anyone? Given. Let P. A cos theta. A means how much here? 3 cos theta. B means 2. 2 sin theta be the point on the ellipse. That means this is 3 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. So how many points are existing on this ellipse? Anyone? Number of rational points they are asking. Anyone? Here, anyone observing sin theta, cos theta are, what you can say? Can be rational for infinitely many values. Why? Because theta belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi. Sin theta, cos theta can be rational numbers. Theta belongs to closed interval 0, 2 pi. On the circle, how many points are there? Infinitely points are there. So infinitely rational numbers are, infinitely rational points are existing. So therefore, what is the case? So there are infinitely rational points are existing. Same model I'm changing. C. Find the number of integral points. Find the number of integral points on x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. What is the answer? Anyone? Can you guess what are they? Yes, exactly 4 points. What are they? There exist 4 integral points. What are they? That is, can anyone see what is the vertex here? A, how much anyone? That is 3, 0. B, 0, 2. A dash minus 3, 0. B dash 0, 2. So these are the integral points. Yeah, what is this? Exactly. So based on this one matrix matching is there. They're asking like this one. How many points are there? Let me see. Right now it is busy. Available or not? Let me see. No. Okay. Right on. Next question. Question C. Find eccentricity of the curve formed by. This time someone is using. Find eccentricity of the curve formed by x is equal to 3 into cos t plus sin t and y is equal to 4 into cos t minus sin t. Of course, they can ask anything based on this one. What is the curve is coming? First of all, verify. After that, find the eccentricity. So dear students, here t is nothing but any arbitrary constant parameter. What is that? So same question they can ask. Which type of curve is forming? They can ask. Anyone? How do you approach? Tell me. Yes, correct. Sadhguru Chan responding immediately, correct. But what is the answer? Curve is okay. What about eccentricity? Now see. No. Wrong. Bhuvan Kumar. Check it once again. Near to the answer. So first of all, in this case, concept is eliminating t concept. Dear students, see what to do here? Given. Divide with 3. Cos t plus sin t. Divide with 4. Cos t minus sin t. So from these two equations, we have to eliminate t. So what I'm doing, squaring at both sides, you can get. So I'm proceeding for the next slide. Shall I go? Okay. Continuation, see. X square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to cos square t plus sin square t. Yeah, plus sin square t plus cos square t plus 2 cos t sin t. So what you are observing? So therefore, x square by 18 plus y square by 32 is equal to 1. So which type of curve is forming here? Ellipse. But dear students, if you observe clearly, A is less than B, then what is the eccentricity anyone? 1 minus A square by B square. So please tell me what is the answer? So 18 by means how much is coming? 9. So answer is root 7 by 4 is coming. See? That is the answer. So same model I'm giving. One more question, dear students. You can practice later. So I'm giving one question, dear students, you can practice it later. See. Find the equation of the curve. Send the doubt. Pawan, what is the doubt? Send the message. Find the equation of the curve whose parametric equations are x is equal to 1 plus 4 cos theta, y is equal to 2 plus 3 sin theta. That is the question, dear students. You can practice it later. What is the equation of the curve is coming in? Yeah. The rest of see divided with 2 on both sides. Then what is the getting? What is the formula is coming? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Standard equation. That is the standard form of the ellipse. That's what divided with 2. Is equal to 1. That is the equation of the ellipse. So see the question. What is the form is coming? You can verify. Yeah, we can get the same answer. So Pawan, correct. Because divided with same number, no? That's why. Correct. So this one is what the answer? Ellipse is coming. Now find eccentric angle. In this type of problem, some students are doing silly mistakes. So please see how to avoid the mistakes. Find eccentric angle of the points on the ellipse. X squared by 6, y squared by 2 is equal to 1. Whose distance from the center of the circle, from the center of the ellipse is root 5. Anyone? Dear students, suppose P is there. So OP is given. How much? Root 5 is given. 5. Then what is the eccentric angle of the points? So eccentric angle means you can choose anywhere on this ellipse point because theta is what? 0 to 2 pi. Then what you can say? Very well. What is the first step? First we choose one point. Let P be the point. What is the point, anyone? A cos theta. Dear student, what is the A? That is root 6 cos theta. B means root 2 sin theta. Then, so what is the distance between center of the ellipse and P? That is OP is equal to how much is given? Root 5. So apply squaring on both sides. 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is equal to 5. So eliminate either cos or sin. You can get 6 minus 4, that means 4 sin square theta. So minus plus means minus 4 is equal to 1 is coming. So sin square theta is how much coming? Sin theta plus or minus 1 by 2 is coming. So can you guess anyone what is the value of theta? Anyone? Positive. In which quadrant? First and second. That means pi by 6. 5 minus pi by 6 means pi. 5 pi by 6. Negative means third quadrant, fourth quadrant. That means 5 plus pi by 6 is how much? 7 pi by 6. Fourth quadrant. 2 pi minus pi by 6 means 11 pi by 6. So there are 4 possibilities are there as an angle. See carefully. Yeah, this is responding good here. Correct. So how many angles are possible? Eccentric angles? There are 4. Means for your P can take first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So these type of models are very, very important. If they are giving 4 options, you should attempt all the cases, multiple choice. Next question, see. Going for next slide. Right on. If they are giving only one angle, put one option only. No problem. Dear students, Amrit is there participating. Maurya is there now participating today. Mr. I called him. Okay, wait. Again, Krista. Yeah, Akhil is there. Okay, good. Ashish, okay, all of you good. Yeah, good. This Sunday exam is there. I think all of you know. What is syllabus? I told you yesterday. Parabola, fluid chapter, and ellipse is up to position of the points. Okay, let's see next slide. Now see. Find area of the greatest rectangle. Find area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse. Anyone? Yeah, someone is responding. Let me see. Yes, immediately responding both two members. One is Aishwar, one is Ashish. Good, very good. How? Now see. Yeah. How to find this one? Rectangle is inscribed means what you see. I'm drawing the rough diagram, dear students. See, like that. A, B, C, D. So in this case, given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Dear students, you should understand a is always greater than b in these cases, if they are missing. Now choose here a, b, c, d is a rectangle. So what is the coordinates of point here? That is a cos theta comma b sin theta. Fine. Now anyone, area of the rectangle. How to find area of the rectangle? Base into height. What is the base? What is the height? Anyone? What is the length of AD? Anyone? Can you guess this one? So a cos theta comma minus b sin theta. That is the meaning fourth quadrant. So here also same thing. See. So what is the base is coming? Anyone? That is 2a cos theta is coming. What is the height? 2b sin theta. So that is 2ab into 2 sin theta cos theta I'm taking, that is sin 2 theta. So maximum values were possible existing. When it is possible? Exists when sin 2 theta is equal to 1, because maximum value of sin theta is how much? Well, 1. So therefore, give the conclusion. Maximum area of the rectangle is 2AB. So next time when I'm asking find the area of the greatest rectangle that can be described in the ellipse, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. What is your answer? X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Yes. Good. So these type of observations are very important. See, if anyone is forgetting the formula, can remember procedure also. Fine. Note. Area of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is pi ab. Earlier we discussed in which chapter? Areas. The help of integrations. See. What is there? Just I'm giving a rough idea. A, E like that. So this is a comma 0. This is 0 comma b. How to find area of this one? Anyone? Area is equal to 4 times area of one quadrant. That is 0 to b in terms of x. We can take suppose in terms of x. What is the answer? B by a into root over a square minus x square dx is coming. So if you are simplifying, we get pi ab. Please write on this point. Semi-lattice rectum is harmonic mean between the segments of a focal chord. That means what here? This is the focal chord. P, S, Q. Then what you can say? 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is equal to. So that is 2A by B square. That is the answer. I'm giving a question right now. Completed? No. See, based on previous property, I'm giving a question, dear students. See, if PSQ is a focal chord of the ellipse, (16 x square plus 25 y square is equal to 400. Such that SP is given 16, then find SQ. Anyone? Semi-lattice rectum is 2b square by A, correct? But volta is coming now. Length of the lattice rectum is what? 2b square by A. Sadhguru Charan say 2b square by A. But in this case, harmonic mean reverse is coming, say 1 by A plus 1 by C is equal to 2 by B is coming, say ulta. Bhuvan Kumar, check it. What is the answer? Check it once again. (16 by 9 is correct. Check it. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Be careful. No problem. Sometimes happening mistakes. Now see, dear students, what is the equation of the ellipse is given? This is the focal chord is given. Yeah. S, Q, P. So x square by how much? 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Now, we know one formula. What is that? 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is equal to how much? 2A by B square. Sadhguru Charan, see. Now, 1 by SP is how much? 1 by 16. 1 by SQ, that is the question. 2 into A is how much? 5 by B square means 16. So simplify. 1 by SQ is equal to 9 by 16 is coming. What they are asking, SQ means 16 by 9. So I am changing the question model. Anyone? Please find out what is the value of S dash Q. From this question, adding another one more point. What is the value of S dash Q? Anyone? Beautiful. No, SQ is 16 by 9 is correct. I am asking S dash Q. See carefully, diagram from the diagram. Sadhguru Charan, negative value is possible, not possible. Only 16 by 9 is coming, not minus C. Good. So how to find S dash Q, anyone? Property. So we know that, yeah. Good. SP plus S dash Q is how much, anyone? That is definition of the ellipse. 2A is how much, dear students? 10. So SP is how much? Anyone? So in this case, SP we should take SQ definition. Okay, SQ plus S dash Q. So SQ is how much is coming? 16 by 9 plus this is the question is equal to 10. So find out S dash Q is how much? 10 minus 16 by 9. That is 74 by 9 is coming. Excellent. Those who are getting answer. So I'm giving 2 more questions. After that, we'll discuss some concept. Just a minute. Yeah, good. Concept is better. Now see. So can you guess what the next concept? That is the intersection of your line. It's not visible. Just a minute. Yeah. So intersection of your line and an ellipse. Same concept is then parabola, ellipse also, I mean circle also I told you. So same concept is again repeating in hyperbola also. So listen carefully, dear students. As usual. So intersection of a line means what here? Like this or like this here. Maybe tangent or maybe secant line. So this is what tangent. This is what secant line. So consider equation of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So you should understanding here a is always greater than b and the line y is equal to mx plus c. Consider this is the equation 1, dear students. This is 2. Solving 1 and 2 we get. So solving equations 1 and 2 means we can eliminate any one variable. Okay. So from these cases, what you're getting, that is, see, b square x square plus a square into mx plus c whole square is equal to a square b square. Directly put y is equal to mx plus c in this case. See carefully. After that, take the LCM. Now expand this one. Eliminate any. Yeah, why not? Fine. But in this case, why you are not eliminating x means what here? Concept is finding the talking about line now. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, that's why. Now expand this one. What the result is coming? So a square means a square m square. Next what? Plus b square is there. Directly I'm writing. So any term is the constant term. See, 2a square mc x is there plus a square is the common factor. Transpose this one means c square minus b square is equal to 0. So which is quadratic equation in terms of x. So from this case, we are getting, there are 3 cases, dear students. What are they? So d greater than 0 means what here? That is secant line. The line meets the ellipse at 2 distant points. That's the meaning. So d is equal to 0 means what? That is tangent. D less than 0 means what? Does not intersect ellipse. So in this case, still you can write how to write what is the relation here. D is equal to 0 means you can get C square is equal to A square M square plus B square. Store is fixed. C square is equal to A square M square plus B square. Hence, y is equal to mx. What is the c here? Dear students, see A square M square plus B square. Are the tangents to the ellipse for all m belongs to any real number. So what you are observing? We are getting two parallel tangents. Plus or minus means what, dear students? We are getting two parallel tangents. Okay. So how many tangents are possible to the ellipse from the external point? Anyone? Dear students, how can you say how many tangents are possible to the ellipse from the external point? Yes, two. So exactly two tangents are possible. How means that's why I'm giving proof now. Dear students, see. Now, dear students, suppose okay, okay. Now consider, suppose this line is passing through some h comma k. Line means y is equal to mx plus or minus root or a square m square plus b square. Right on? Y is equal to root over a square m square passes through p h comma k. Then what the answer is coming? See, k is equal to mh. So transpose this value after the squaring on both sides. Write down this one, I will tell you. For this class, enough for this one, okay? Intersect tangents only. So after that, we discuss problems. So tomorrow we discuss various forms of the tangents as usual, parabola, circle also. Completed? Shall I proceed? Okay. So passing through this point means what the result is coming, anyone? K minus mh whole square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Now converting into what the formula is coming, h square minus a square into m square minus 2khm. What next? K square means transposition. K square minus b square is equal to 0. This is the one. Now, so what do you mean? So passing through a given point, so maximum how many tangents are possible? What is the degree of this equation? 2. So there are 2 slopes are possible. So that's why 2 tangents are possible. Right on. Hence, conclusion, passing through a given point. So there are maximum 2 tangents possible. Now keep waiting, all of you. Director circle. This is a very important, dear students. Right on. Anyone? What is the meaning? What do you mean director circle, anyone? Just a minute, I'm drawing the picture properly. Yes. This is PH, comma K. Suppose, dear student, this angle is I'm taking theta, for example. So what is theta should be? It should be what? 90 degrees. So where it is possible, see? Now we can determine the locus of the point of intersection of these two tangents. Determine locus of point of intersection of these tangents. What the result is coming? See. Fine. Dear students, suppose if theta is 90 degrees, just a minute, sir, some small disturbance is coming from my side. Okay. Yeah, let me see. Now, m is equal to 90 degrees means what are the meaning, dear students, from the equation 1? From 1. So m1, m2 is equal to -1. Slope of the product of their slopes is -1. But some product of the roots is how much is given? k square minus b square by h square minus a square. See carefully. That means I can write how much transpose side means h square plus k square is equal to a square plus b square. That is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So which is, what is the new one? Definition. What is the definition of? What is the definition of direct circle? Anyone? The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents drawn to the ellipse is a director circle. Keep your mind, dear students. So what is the radius here? You should understand what is the radius. So radius is nothing but root over, anyone? Sum of the squares of semi-major axis and semi-minor axis. A means semi-major axis. B means semi-minor axis. That means what here? Radius is nothing but length of the line joining the end points of the major and minor axis. So I'm drawing the picture. See here, students, top diagram is the meaning. So this is a comma 0. This is 0 comma b. O a b. So here ab is how much, dear students? See, root over a square plus b square. The line segment joining the end points of the major and minor axis. That is the radius. So please add these points, all of you. Now I will give one question based on director circle. See the question, then only respond, please. Correct, Rakshit, correct. Now tell me, immediately I'm giving question. Find the radius of director circle of x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. What is the answer? They're completely here responding very good here. Beautiful. So, find the radius of the direct circle. What is the equation of direct circle here, anyone? Director circle is x square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 9. That is 25. So what is the radius, dear student? 5. Good, right? You can proceed. So for this class, concept is sufficient. We discuss some problems, dear students. Okay. Tomorrow we discuss various forms of the tangents. Now I will give some questions. Be ready. Take the pen, rub book, dear students, all of you. Siri Satvika. Hari. Try to solve the questions. Rishta, you also. Hari, Shuri Kiran, all of you. Kuswant. Rohit, Rakshit, responding good. Kumar. Nowadays, Kumar is very silent. Good boy. Did you there? Okay. Write down question. If a tangent of slope 2, if a tangent of slope 2 of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to what? Is normal to the circle. Then maximum value of AB is dash. What is the answer? Anyone? This is a tangent. For example, what this tangent behaves as a normal to the circle. Excepting normal is always passing through center of the circle. What is the center here, dear students? Minus 2 comma 0. Okay. X square by a square. Anyone tell me? So equation of the tangent having slope m is, that is y is equal to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square. That is, what the m is given? 2 is given. That means y is equal to 2x plus root over 4a square m plus b square. No, check it. 1 second, check it. That's it. Good. Near to the answer. With the answer once again. So, which is passing through center of the circle. That is, what is that? Minus 2 comma 0. So 0 is equal to minus 4 plus root over 4a square plus b square. Still anyone getting idea? So 16 is equal to 4a square plus b square. Now using anyone? Yes. AM is greater than or equal to GM. What is that? See? 4a square, this is the 1 unit. B square is the another unit by 2 greater than or equal to how much? 4a square into b square. So this value is how much? 16 by 2, dear students. So this is 2ab. Therefore, AB is less than or equal to, that is the answer. Rachit, now see, any doubt is there, ask me. Last question. Shall I proceed for the next question? For what value of lambda? The line y is equal to x plus lambda touches the ellipse. 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Anyone? So the line touches the ellipse. What is the line? Anyone? First of all, given what is the equation of the ellipse? Anyone? So divided with 144 means x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Yes, correct. So in this case, happen, just a minute. In this case, suddenly change the color. A square is 16, b square is 9. Okay, last step. Now, what are the given? Y is equal to x plus lambda is given. Fine. Now, but what is the equation of tangent? Anyone? Y is equal to mx plus root over a square means 16 m square plus 9. Comparing this one, 1 and 2 are identical. So what is the value? M is 1, dear students. So 16 m square plus 9 is equal to how much? Lambda square. So lambda square is equal to 25. Lambda is plus or minus 5. That is the answer. Right on, dear students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Try to submit the notes, all of you.